Hello, my name is Diego Ferreira. I'm Solutions Engineering Manager at ElectroNeek, and today I want to introduce the new version of IntelliDocs. IntelliDocs now allows you to describe the document that you are processing, so you can basically process any type of document based on your description. The description of the documents are configured in the document streams. Let me show you an example. And in this case, we have one stream for processing invoices. We provide here a description of the model of the document. And we also have here different definitions for the fields that we want to extract from the document. So we can set up a name. So this is how we'll expect to see the output, and specify which type of field it is, and then a description of what that field is. Okay. You also can define the tables that are in the document and exactly which columns you want to extract from that table. Once you save it, you can use to process document. Let me show you an example. Let's go to test recognition. In this case, I will select an invoice and then select the proper document string that I have created. In the case that you have a custom document type, and that's not a problem, you can customize the document string to extract the right information. Here we have the results. We have information about the field that we have specified. We have also confidence level over here and the tables example here. Also, you can see the API response. This is what you will get if you use the API or if you use IntelliDocs from Studio Pro. Thanks for watching and happy automation with ElectroNeek.